This cute riddle doesn't just test your math skills, but also your concentration. I'm very curious to see if you're smart enough and especially if you're focused enough to correctly figure out what a single cherry is worth. So, on your marks, get set, go, pause the video, get to work, stay focused, solve the puzzle for yourself, and only then check your answer against my solution. And here's how it goes. I would say, if I add the cherries to the tomato once and subtract them once, and I know the results on the right side both times, then I can use the addition method. Specifically, I can add the two left sides together and add the two right sides together. Picturing it, it's like taking a scale and putting both right sides into one pan together. That gets me to 100, and putting both left sides together on the other pan. And what I get there is 2 tomatoes, because the cherries, the plus cherries and the minus cherries, simply cancel each other out. So that means I now know what 1 tomato is worth by just quickly dividing this scale by 2. So a tomato must be worth 50. Okay, and now comes the tricky part where most people fail. This is really something where you have to be focused, because if I know that the tomato is 50, I can picture it here, for example. The tomato is 50, and I know right away the cherries are 10. But the answer, of course, isn't that the cherry is 10. Instead, pay attention now, we know that the double cherry is 10, and that in turn means that the single cherry must be just 5. And that is, in fact, the correct solution here. For a similar puzzle, check this one out right here. And if you'd like to keep your mind even sharper, then take a look at the playlist with all the IQ logic test puzzles. You can find it here. Have a lot of fun with it, and if you'd like, I'd love to see you again very soon.